Oh, why hello there. It is I'm back, I suppose. And today we're doing the 1989 AJHSME problems 1 through 12. And as I've said before, you have 40 minutes to complete the AMC8, which is the same thing, just new name. And this section, I mean, preferably you'd complete it in 10 to 15 minutes. So you have much more time for the longer sections, the harder problems, because they get harder as you go, as you will see. Now I'm going to try and explain my work as best as possible with in 10 minutes max, with time to spare. We are going to start at the 1 minute mark on my timer, which starts nowing now. Oh god, go. Alright, oh poop. Alright. Blah 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 plus blah 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 equals blah 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 blah, right? So we can think of this one as, well, if we add 1 to 49, 11 to 39, 21 to 29, 31 to 19, and 41 to 9, they all sum up to 50, right? So 1 plus 49 equals 50, plus another 50 for 11 plus 39, plus 50, plus 50, plus 50. 50 times 5 is 250. 2 by 100 plus 4 by, 2 by 10 plus 4 by 100 plus 6 by 1000, and we're asked for the written. So 2 by 10 is 0.2, and then 4 by 100 is 0.04, and then 6 by 1000 is 0.006. So then we add them together, we get 0.246, done. Next, which number is largest? Well, this is kind of obvious, isn't it? Because you have 0.9. 0.99 is largest so far. 0.9099 is smaller because the hundredths digit is smaller. 0.9, technically there's a 0 in the hundredths digit. That's smaller. It's also smaller, 0 in the hundredths digit. And this is also smaller. So we spent 1 minute and 20 seconds, and we've gotten 3 problems done. Estimate to determine which of the following numbers is closest to 401 divided by 0.205. 0.205 is equal to, by 1,000, is approximately 1/5. And then 401 divided by 1/5. So times 5, because it's multiplying by reciprocal. That's 2005, so E, 2000 is the closest. Let's do order of operations here. Start with parentheses. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 times 2 is 18. Negative 15 plus 18. Same thing as 18 minus 15, which is equal to 3. The markings on the number line are equally spaced. What is the number y, right? So let's call this x, right? Then, so you're adding x equal each time. This becomes 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. 5x equals 20, divide by 5, x equals 4. We're asking for 3x, because that's where y is. 4 times 3 equals 12. If the value of 20 quarters and 10 dimes is equal to the value of 10 quarters and n dimes, then n is equal to... Okay, well, let's find, because we're subtracting 10 quarters, right? So minus 10 quarters. So let's find the value of how much we're subtracting. 10 times 25 minus 250, right? So then we want to add 250 in dimes already, and then plus the already 10 that were, wait, is it plus? I think it is, yeah. No, it's not, obviously. So yeah, and then we also want to add 10 plus 10 more. Right, 250 over 10 is 25 plus 10, 35. 2 times 3 times 4 plus times 1/2 plus 1/3 plus 1/4. I'm too lazy to do a trick, so we're just going to add them. 1/3 plus 1/2 is equal to 5 by 6, and then plus 1/4 is equal to 10 twelfths plus 3 twelfths. 13 over 12 times 24. 24 and 12 cancel. That's 2. It's equal to 26. 2 times 13. there are 2 girls for every 3 boys in Miss Johnson's class, and it's asking for the percent. So the percent will always be the same. It's 2 divided by 5 because it's 2 plus 3, right? Because it's not asking for the percent of boys to girls, it's asking for the percent of total class whose boys. 2 by 5 is equal to 40%. So number of degrees in smaller angle between the hour hand and minute hand on a clock that reads 7 o'clock, right? Let's think about this, right? Bam, bam, right? It's divided into twelfths, so this full thing would be 180. 1 hour is going to be 30, right? Because it's going to be 360, which is the total number in a circle, divided by 12 equals 30. So 180 minus 30 is going to be this angle, right? 180 minus 30, because this is 30. So then when you add them, we get 180. So it's going to be 150. Which of the 5 T-like shapes would be symmetric to the one shown with respect to the dashed line? Well, we want to reflect it. That means that the corner, this corner is going to move over here. And the T is going to become like this. So let's see, which one's like that? B. Let's see, yeah. 1/2 minus 1/3 over 1 minus a half. Sorry, 1 minus a third over 1 minus half. 1 minus 1/3 is 2 over 3 divided by 1 over 2. Remember, dividing by a fraction is the same thing as multiplying by its reciprocal. So 2/3 times 2 over 1, 4/3, right? Yes, it is. Look at us. Only in 5 minutes. Hopefully you can do them along with me. Hopefully you enjoyed. Shout out to AOPS for providing these problems. As you can see, blue streak here. And we're gonna end this at 7 minutes 30 seconds. Shout out to AOPS. Check out our other videos. Seriously, check out AOPS. You can create an account for free, no ads, no nothing. That's awesome. It's non-profit. And hail Gregg, gone.